Opa. Sir Opa. Michael Kors.
Ang pangit ang daan dito.
And then the road is very pangit. And also the may tawag ani? Screen protector. And
So ni.
it's very
Kasada pa ni?
very bad. And the driver is having a feedback. It's very bad.
Ang klaseng daan to.
This road is need to build a new road. Where is the government?
Where's the government
The
here?
government need to fix this road. Okay. I think this is the lost and found. I think we're not in the right place.
Ano ni?
I think this is the dead end. Dead end and whoa. This place is in
This
wilderness. Are you sure that this is the way?
No, the arrow, di ba? Ligo, try, ligo dun.
Where?
Right.
Allah, ligudon dyan siya. This is the ligudon. Oh. What's that sound?
Ano yun?
A monster?
Ay, kanang inani yun.
Huh?
Gusto nga ba?
Where is the ocean? Wala, what's that?
Ligo dun beach.
Where is the road?
Ligo dun beach.
Is this the road? Are you sure that this is a ligudon?
Ah, diri di ay.
Masud pa ka?
Katoy.
Masud pa ka?
Oo. Atlas to.
So the ligudon is very difficult. Are you agree?
Yes, I agree.
You agree, sir? What's your feedback? Is it good or bad?
I don't know.
You don't know?
We don't arrive yet.
Okay. If we arrive, you will like check the view. If
Let's check the view. Just check the view.
you like the view? You do?
I don't
Yes,
like
I
it.
do.
The road is very bad.
I think the ligudon is like a ligudon without water. Here, there's the sign. This way to the ligudon. Wow.
So,
I think this arrow point to terrorist. Yeah.
Where are you going from?
I think we're going to the dead spot. Dead sea?
Okay.
Oh. I think the Bios is crying.
Let's go ahead.
Let's go ahead.
Ligodon.
Ligudon, here we come. I think the Ligudon don't have entrance fee because the road is bati. You know, what the meaning of bati? Wow,
What a road.
It's
Rocky Road
very,
ice cream.
It's very long. We need to make it short.
The road is very bad.
You need to do shortcut. Wow, there is 2 ways ahead.
Dito try.
So where is
Dagat.
the Ligudon? This is very bad. What's wrong with the road?
What's wrong? What's right? What's wrong?
You
What's
need
right? Asa na
You need to choose between the two. It's either you go
Asa
to
na?
this way
Bukid man
or this way.
Aka na yung mo eh.
But there's no signage.
Way signage.
I think this is
Diri kay murag private man
where
Diri.
there is a terrorist.
Where's the terrorist?
I think there's
Ni masking parking eh.
Huh?
Skinan parking.
Maybe that's the owner's car.
Owner's manual.
Yeah, owner's manual car. Manual? I think it's not the manual car.
This is it.
Are you sure there's no signage?
I don't know.
Where is the signage? I think this is an hotel.
Yes, it is.
Where
Let's
is
go
the
ahead.
road?
Let's park here.
Are you sure? Are
Oh,
you sure, man?
I'm not sure.
Maybe the owner is confused. Why we here? Why are you here, guys? You need to ask. What's going on with these two people?
Parang resort pa rin ito eh.
I don't think so. There's no signage.
May signage.
Yeah. I think it's a condominium.
Okay, we are in a wrong number.
So we need to go
So we
back.
need to go back.
Go back to the wrong lane. This is because of the wrong. I mean the. What do you call that?
The other one, the I.
Yeah.
So sorry.
You know
It
what,
is a private
guys?
property.
This is a private property and we enter it. So we're in the no enter policy. Huh? No trespassing. Yeah.
That's why
We're in-
they are looking at us.
Yeah. And then the woman told us that, where are you going, sir? We're going from the other nation. And the lady told us that it's a private property. And then we pretend that we don't know. Oh, and then we tell the
Because
lady.
really, I really like it.
Because here there is the
Oh.
sign. The sign is pointing there,
The sign is
not
AD.
in the front. I think someone will tuyok that. What do you call the tuyok?
turn around.
Turn around that signage.
Adro dahil ligodon day.
Yeah, I told you, but
Okay.
there's no sign
The sign is,
pointing there
I don't know.
or there.
No wait. There is
Gupana. What is Gupana?
Gupana.
Gupana and Ligudon is different. I think this is also a private property.
Private property ni.
And where is the Ligudon?
I don't know.
Ay, nako.
We're going somewhere.
Ligudon. Oh, this is also a private property. Oh, here.
Ligodon?
Yes, there is a
Is this
signage.
okay.
The Ligudon is very, very difficult, guys.
Very hard to find.
If you're going here, I advise you do not go there.
I think we're lost.
Yeah. But it's still the same. It has the like what do you call that?
Here.
Yeah, here we go.
We arrive here.
Here we go again. And the people here is very, very wet. And then there is a lady in front wearing panty. I don't know. The girl is not same with this boot, but so that's it for today's video,
That's it
guys.
for today's video.
I hope you learn from my English lesson 0.0 because our English is monkey
It's
English.
pretty bad.
Yes, we're still learning. By the way, we're foreign. We're from Malaysia.